हैप्पी संडे, सत श्री अकाल, नमस्कार, प्रणाम, सुप्रभात, वनक्कम, केम छो to all my dear brothers and sisters. Air quality index of my place is in 2 digit. It is 78 only. I proudly say this. We are getting very clean air to breathe. And day is likely to be sunny, sky is very clear, and winter is very, very, very mild. Now come to let's now come to points to ponder section. Climate change. What is climate change? What causes climate change? How to address the climate change? These are the questions every sensitive person supposed to know and answer. Climate change is a shifting in temperature and weather pattern unpredictably. There are 3 or 4 seasons made for whole years. We experience 3 or 4 seasons every year. We are supposed to experience, that is a winter, summer and rainy season. During the winter, we are supposed to experience cold climate. During the summer, hot climate. Or during the rain, monsoon, blessing of monsoon, we are supposed to get. But if these things do not happen in a predicted way, then something is wrong with the environment, because this has been happening for centuries. And all human activities, human agriculture activities, every other kind of human activities is planned accordingly as per the weather pattern. If weather pattern shifts, then our whole activities gets disturbed. We get troubled. Our people engaged especially in agriculture activities, they suffer. So what causes climate change? First cause of climate change is greenhouse effect. Greenhouse effect. What is greenhouse effect? Greenhouse effect is the effect caused by emitting carbon dioxide and other unwanted, undesirable gases in the atmosphere in larger quantity. This traps the heat of sun on the earth and causes rise in the temperature of the earth. When temperature of the earth rises, there are many repercussions, cascading effects. Glacier starts melting. That causes rise in the sea level, mean sea level, and those areas which are lying, which are settled in lower area, that gets flooded. There is a threat of seawater entering into those areas and engulfing them totally. First cause. Second cause is burning of use of fossil fuels, industry, transportation, generation of electricity, everywhere lot of fossil fuels are used. What is fossil fuel? Fossil fuel is coal, gas, oil, which we get from the crust of the earth. Those fossil fuel causes lot of carbon footprint in the environment, and that is a matter of great concern. So, what is the remedy? Remedy is sensitize people, sensitize all the people to not to do so, reduce the carbon emissions, go for more forestation, plant at least a tree. Everyone should plant a tree and nurture that tree and see in your lifetime growing into bigger tree. That is the that will be the your contribution to the environment for saving the environment. And government has been doing enough, but government alone is not enough. NGO also is doing, but unless we all participate, we all contribute significant changes, we cannot see in our lifetime. And our coming generations will blame us that our ancestors, they lived their life lavishly and made the environment, made the planet inhabitable for us. They will curse us, curse us. So, no, another point, it is a global issue. It is not confined to one country. So, effort is required at intergovernment level, inter countries, between the countries, and most responsible for the climate change is developed countries. They emit lot of carbon footprint in the environment, and they don't do enough because environment is not confined to one country. It is temperature of if climate of India goes bad, it will not remain confined to India only. We are politically divided, administratively divided, but climatically we cannot hold climate of our country, whether it is a good or bad. It will go to our neighbors, further to neighbors, onward transmission. So more effort is required from the developed country because they are responsible more than the developing country. There has been many conferences, but significant, substantial efforts have not been made. Our result that conference has not resulted into substantial outcome. So now video is getting longer. I want to be able to talk more. Thank you so much for patient listening. I will keep making such videos regularly to sensitize, to make awareness among the masses about the environment and what individual can do, individual can contribute. Thank you once more. Sayonara, bye bye, good day to all my dear brothers and sisters. Bye bye.